Only intelligent does not bring you success. Only skill can bring success. Student needs to be skilled with innovative skills to sharpen their knowledge and talent. Abacus and Vedic math is one of such simplest and easiest way for the overall development of child, and they do wonders in the child. AVAS, Abacus and Vedic Arithmetic Study, is the organization which is instrumental in propagating these techniques since 2010. Vedic mathematics, one of the ancient technique picked from our cultural heritage, which is turning out to be a game changer for our children. Math is no more a phobia for the children, as these techniques have developed confidence in them to conquer math. With this technique, students are able to do large and complex calculations in their head within seconds. Abacus, whereas, has proved out to be magical tool for enhancing the concentration and mental endurance in children.
AVAS deals with two major problems of young generation. One, phobia of mathematics. Second, lack of concentration. Phobia of mathematics can be easily eradicated with the help of Vedic mathematics, and lack of concentration can be dealt upon with the help of abacus.
AVAS has categorized abacus for class 1 to 5 and Vedic math for class 6 to 9. Abacus helps in increasing concentration and Vedic maths helps in removing phobia of mathematics.
Very good.
AVAS has started its eventful journey by accomplishing a milestone of bringing change in students with learning difficulties in span of 6 months. AVAS was given an opportunity to deliver this education to students of government school on pilot basis. And the results were so magical, it brought great change in confidence of every child. AVAS is now imparting this education in more than 150 schools pan-India successfully, who have adopted AVAS in their curriculum. AVAS is providing education in more than 15 districts of country and looking forward to its geographical expansion. AVAS, with growing steps, formed the advisory board panel and subject experts panel, Dr. Kiran Bedi and other eminent educationists as board members. Abacus and Vedic maths education increased the employment opportunity for the unemployed youth, and it gave birth to another idea, the foundation of trust to standardize this education. IVA launched certified course of Abacus and Vedic maths to spread this education to masses. It was duly accredited by NABED, National Accreditation Board of Education and Training, QCI, Quality Council of India. Courses are affiliated by NISBED, National Institute for Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development. Skill Ministry has also approved and listed these courses under NSDC, and IVA has become NSDC partner to impart this skill across the globe to bring revolutionary change in the field of job employment and self-employment.
IVA providing a platform to turn dreams into reality. I have seen little girls coming with dreams and IVA transforming them into an empowered woman with a vision. IVA is helping them enriching their lives by making them a successful entrepreneur. I wish them all the best.
The journey of celebrating National Maths Day, 22nd December every year, started since 2012 with eminent dignitaries as chief guest. Season 5 was celebrated as Constitution Club of India. A book of skill and entrepreneurship through Abacus and Vedic maths was also launched by Honorable Minister of Human Resources Development, Shri Prakash Javadekar, in presence of many other eminent dignitaries. IVA is rendering its services to the government sector by providing training to government teachers under the project of SSA, that is Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, RMSA, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan to Delhi, Punjab and Himachal Pradesh, SCERT government. It has trained more than 5,000 government school teachers in Vedic math on behalf of SCERT and SSA and RMSA. Many colleges like JDVC, LPU also started these courses in their respective colleges to impart this education to increase employment opportunity for the youth.
IVA has set the universal standard of abacus and Vedic math. It brings a revolutionary change in the field of women for employment.
IVA has converted more than 500 many unemployed youth into successful entrepreneurs, and they are also enriching lives down the line. An open platform was given to all the students of the country to participate under one roof. At one point of time, it became a record-breaking event and was recorded in Limca Book of Records. Dr. K.K. Agarwal, President of IMA, Indian Medical Association, during his research along with our domain expert, Ms. Pooja Ahuja, webcasted the benefits of Vedic maths in health, especially for stress and anxiety. IVA has also been able to mark his presence at international level in many countries by delivering these courses online. One is also coming with a special app very soon to bring this awareness to masses.
We started this journey 8 years back with just 4 people with the objective of removing the misconception and the myth about abacus and Vedic maths. The first, I would like to tell you that mainly the people were using the abacus as a calculation improvement course and selling it a wrong manner. So we changed this concept. We removed this myth that abacus is for a calculation improvement. We proved with the associations of SSA, RMSA, NISBERT and other various affiliations and accolades, we proved this thing that abacus is not a calculation improvement course, it is a concentration improvement course, and we also proved that Vedic maths is not just tricks. It can be used as a tool and tricks to remove the phobia of math, which is the utmost requirement. We introduced the IVA, the government certified course, with the association of NISBERT, government certified course of abacus teacher training and Vedic maths teacher training, because to increase upskilling, to get better job opportunities, for entrepreneurship, for women empowerment. Why to take the franchisees and work under some organization? Just do this government certified course of 6 months and just become your own boss and become an entrepreneur, upskill yourself. The school teachers are willing to do these courses to upskill themselves. The students doing BA, NTT, JBT want to do this course for a better job opportunity. So we are looking for our target of 2020 to make this program reach each and every house of the children as well and as a women empowerment as well.
AVAS is committed to the mission of preparing its students to achieve culmination of success. We welcome people to become the part of this noble mission for betterment of our nation.
AVAS and IVA envision to bring excellence and world-class education to produce successful leaders of tomorrow. I am thankful to Almighty, my entire team and all my well-wishers for their never-ending support.